Today we are discussing questions and answers for Microsoft Azure Data Engineer Associate DP-201. You can download the complete list of Microsoft-based questions from the link provided in the description. Our question is Case Study Introductory Info. This is a case study. Case studies are not timed separately. You can use as much exam time as you would like to complete each case. However, there may be additional case studies and sections on this exam. You must manage your time to ensure that you are able to complete all questions included on this exam in the time provided. To answer the questions included in a case study, you will need to reference information that is provided in the case study. Case studies might contain exhibits and other resources that provide more information about the scenario that is described in the case study. Each question is independent of the other question in this case study. At the end of this case study, a review screen will appear. This screen allows you to review your answers and to make changes before you move to the next section of the exam. After you begin a new section, you cannot return to this section. To start the case study, to display the first question in this case study, click the Next button. Use the buttons in the left pane to explore the content of the case study before you answer the questions. Clicking these buttons displays information such as business requirements, existing environment, and problem statements. If the case study has an All Information tab, note that the information displayed is identical to the information displayed on the subsequent tabs. When you are ready to answer a question, click the Question button to return to the question. Background: Trade Research is a technology innovator. The company partners with Regional Transportation Department Office to build solutions that improve traffic flow and safety. The company is developing the following solutions. Information each time a vehicle passes in front of a sensor. Time, location in latitude and longitude, license plate number, length of vehicle in meters, speed in kilometers per second kmph. Regional transportation departments installed traffic sensor systems on major highways across North America. Sensors record the following sensors provided data by using the following structure. Traffic sensors will occasionally capture an image of a vehicle for debugging purposes. Traffic sensor data, you must optimize performance of saving or storing vehicle images. Sensors must have permissions only to add items to the sensor data collection. Traffic data insertion rate must be maximized. Once every 3 months, all traffic sensor data must be analyzed to look for data patterns that indicate sensor malfunctions. Sensor data must be stored in a Cosmos DB named Tray Data in a collection named Sensor Data. The impact of vehicle images on sensor data throughout must be minimized. Backtrack this solution report on all data related to a specific vehicle license plate. The report must use data from the sensor data collection. Users must be able to enter vehicle data in the following ways. Vehicles on a specific road, vehicles driving above the speed limit, planning assistance data used for planning assistance must be stored in a sharded Azure SQL database. Data from the sensor data collection will automatically be loaded into the planning assistance database once a week by using Azure Data Factory. You must be able to manually trigger the data load process. Privacy and security policy. Azure Active Directory must be used for all services where it is available. For privacy reasons, license plate number information must not be accessible in planning assistance. Unauthorized uses of the planning assistance data must be detected as quickly as possible. Unauthorized uses is determined by looking for an unusual pattern of uses. Data must only be stored for 7 years. Performance and availability. The report for backtrack must execute as quickly as possible. The SLA for planning assistance is 70%, and multi-day outages are permitted. All data must be replicated to multiple geographic regions to prevent data loss. You must maximize the performance of the real-time response system. Financial requirements. Azure resource cost must be minimized where possible. Now the question is, you need to design the sensor data collection. What should you recommend? To answer, select the appropriate options in the answer area. Now see this section. And this is the correct answer. If you are preparing for any Microsoft-based certifications, you can download the complete list of valid, tried and tested questions and answers from the link provided in the description below.